Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have an animal repeller. So if you've got little animals going around in your yard or something like that, you can put this thing up and it's supposed to get rid of them. So let's go ahead and see what we've got in the box. Let's see, so we have the little post for it. So this will give us the stick it in the ground thing. So that'll be poke it in the ground, and then the device right here. So this is it here. So it'll be like that. That's what it looks like. It's got a little solar panel on the top, so it'll recharge itself. And then it's got motion sensor, and it looks like it's going to have lights and the ultrasonic kind of sound coming out of there when it needs to go. I'm not sure how to turn it on. Let me go see. Check out the instructions and see what we've got in here. So this is the instructions. Wow, these are small, but it's got it in so many different languages. The English one is right there. So you could probably pause it and zoom in it and see it even better than I can here. But it basically, I guess, is just gonna have it outside. I'll put it in the ground and hopefully it will keep all the animals away. There's a little switch on the back, so it says off and on. Oh, I heard oh, you can see it flashed for a second. I don't even know. Didn't bother the dog too much. Yeah, he wasn't facing her. But so that's kind of it. So we're gonna go ahead and put this thing outside, and hopefully it'll keep some of the nasty pets like rats and things like that away from my house. Cool. Nice little setup here. Thumbs up for sure, and it recharges.